Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Guys, let's just jump in. Today we are making some coconut fried chicken, rice and peas, potato salad and broccoli. And here are the ingredients that I will be using to season this chicken. So here I'm going in with some salt and a little all-purpose seasoning, just a bit, and some of my blended seasoning and a little bit of hot chili just to give it a little kick, a little spice. If you want to go ahead and rub 2 scotch bonnet pepper on it, not two whole pepper, you know what I mean, then go ahead. But yeah, just give it a little rub that in, get it all up on there, in there, round and about there, everywhere. And here it is, all season to season. And now I'm going in with my coconut milk. Guys, you need some good coconut milk. And I'm making room. So I'm just taking my spoon and moving them chicken just a little bit so that I can, get that coconut milk all up in there. And then I'm going to cover it and set it aside for, well, I did it for an hour. You need at least 30 minutes, right? But yeah, at least 30 minutes. You can go over that, as in, an hour or two, even 2 or whatever. Just don't leave it out there on the counter for a day or anything like that. And now here are the ingredients that I'll be using for everything, the rest of the menu. So now I'm going to get my peas cooked till they cook. So I had the peas soaking from overnight, right? And I added 2 cloves of garlic. I'm adding some more water and then I'll cover it, cook it until it is soft. And now I'm putting on my potato salad. I have a video, I'll list it below, of how I make my potato salad. I added some salt, I washed my egg really good and I added it to the pot. Now I'm checking on my peas to make sure that it is cook. And it is. From you see that one how it break up and stay, it is ready. I added some ginger, another clove of garlic, scallion or green onion, some thyme, and of course my beloved coconut milk. I absolutely love this coconut milk. Pride coconut milk, so strong, so good. But nothing no better than the real coconut. You can grate it and thing. Anyway, I added some pimento powder, some salt, and then now I'm just rubbing them all, mixing them all together in one accord, basically, right? And then I'm going to cover that when I'm done and let it come to a boil. And then look at that. When you see it don't even melt fast, you must know, nice and creamy. Yes, so cover it and bring it to a boil. Now let's go back. My potato is all boiled, so I'm gonna pour off the water and set that aside to cool. And now I'm adding my washed rice. Yes, I washed the rice nice and clean, right? And now I'm adding it. This is basmati rice that I'm using. And give it a little stir, and another stir. Well, scrape off whatever is at the side. And then yes, I added a scotch bonnet pepper, to give off a little So now I'm putting my wok on the fire so that it can start to heat up to get that chicken all fried. Yes, some fried chicken. I'm pouring some oil in, because you need to get that oil really hot. So now let's work on the flour that we're going to use to flour the chicken. So I added some all-purpose seasoning. I'm putting a dash more of that the chili flakes. And now just stir it up so that you can evenly distribute all the extra niceness that you added to it, right? And now let's work on the chicken. So unwrap this gift this perfect gift, God's gift to us. And and so you take a piece of chicken, you drain it off, you know, like make sure the excess coconut milk run off, and then you just coat it with the flour. It is quite simple as that, right? And then put it in my container to wait on the others, because you have to wait on your brother and sister. You don't just run ahead and leave them alone, right? We're all going together. So then here's another piece, and I'm doing the same thing. Hold it, let it drain, right? And then dip it in and flour it up. So yeah, guys. So guess what too? You see, for the chicken, also some people like don't even really season the chicken much. Just some salt, a little pepper, and then just soak it in the coconut milk for 30 minutes. You guys know how I feel about seasoning my food. That doesn't work for me. So yes, I season it and season it well. So yeah, dive in. I'm almost done. This is the last piece. Well, the last piece that I'm gonna show you guys, because I have 2 wings left in the bowl. Yes, and I'm gonna do those too, but I'm not gonna show you because I don't want to bore you. And here it is. Oh, here it is. So let's get to frying. So we're gonna leave those to fry for a total of about 12 minutes. But let's check on this rice here. Yes, so since the water is all down, right, we're gonna go in and stir it up, right? Since the liquid, you know, the coconut milk and the niceness. Yes, so give it a nice little stir so that the rice can continue to cook, because it's not done as yet. It's almost there, but it's not complete as yet. Oh yeah, and I took out the pepper, because at this point you don't need the pepper anymore. Just take it out, because it did what it was supposed to do. Just release, you know, release some of it nice little aromatic flavor. So it don't make it pepper now, right? It just release a little aromatic. Look at my ginger. Hey, Gingy. Ginge. I see you, Ginge. Come through, Ginge. Gingy. Let's look back on the chicken. Yes, so when your chicken is golden brown on one side, you know, you flip it over, get the other side golden brown and nice. So yeah, Vibes fam, you don't have to put any egg in your potato salad. I like it, so I do it that way. Basically, it's the same way I make the potato salad. I will always make it. The only thing that is different or looking a bit different is because I this time I added all my like onion, sweet pepper and everything to my chopper and did it all at once. So yeah, now I'm adding some sweet corn, green peas, but I'll definitely link the video down below of my potato salad. And now I'm going in with some black pepper, and I'm adding a little bit of sugar, because you know, to cut that the taste of the mayonnaise. Yes, so stir it up, give it a nice little stir, and a stir, and a stir, and a stir, and combine them in one accord. Now back to the chicken. Here they are, all nice and done, all goldenly brown. So perfecto number 2. Perfecto number 2. You look so good, you little wingy. And then the next one. Look at you. You look so good. And then again, leg, one of my favorite parts of the, I love me some leg and thigh. Guys, comment down below and tell me, what is your favorite part of the chicken? What do you like to eat? I love leg and thigh, right through. Leg and thigh all the way. I'll take thigh and wing too, fine. But yeah, leg and thigh is it for me. Come through with the leg and the thigh for sure. And vibes fam, here we have it. Why, here we have it. Come through, chicken thigh. Yes, dinner is looking so lovely, so scrumdiddlyumptious. Look at you, rice and peas. You is the peas and you is the rice, and I love all of y'all's. And potato salad, no, you don't have to stand back because you look good. You can come to the front of the line. You can step into any video light as you are doing right now. And hey, broccoli, come through with your nice green healthy looking self. And chicken wing, my friend, wingy. But hey, my thighs, thick thighs. You are so thick. You guys look so golden, brown and luscious. I love it. I absolutely love it. Vibes fam, comment down below. Don't forget, comment down below and tell me which part of the chicken do you prefer. What's your favorite part of the chicken? Guys, don't forget to leave my comment down below, please. And subscribe and hit the notification bell. Please follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Yes, go and hit me up on Instagram. I will leave the link down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you.